Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience. I recently came across a website, helpmycreditreport.com, and wanted to share my thoughts on it. Navigating credit reports and understanding how they affect your financial health can be complex. This site appears to offer assistance in dealing with credit reports, although I haven't personally used their services. It's crucial to be cautious when dealing with websites that claim to fix credit issues, as the credit repair industry has its share of less than reputable players. Thorough research is always recommended before engaging any such service. It's essential to understand your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act and to be wary of any promises that sound too good to be true. Building good credit takes time and consistent effort, and there are no quick fixes. Responsible financial practices, such as paying bills on time and managing debt effectively, are the cornerstones of a healthy credit score. While websites like helpmycreditreport.com might offer tools and resources, it's important to approach them with a discerning eye and to conduct your own due diligence. Remember, maintaining good credit is a marathon, not a sprint, and requires informed decision-making and proactive management. Be sure to explore the numerous reputable resources available online and from consumer protection agencies to learn more about managing your credit effectively. Ultimately, taking control of your financial well-being empowers you to make sound choices and achieve your financial goals. So, before you consider using a service like the one offered at helpmycreditreport.com, take the time to educate yourself about credit reporting and repair, and explore alternative options, such as contacting the credit bureaus directly or seeking guidance from a certified financial advisor. Being informed is your best defense against potential scams and will put you in a stronger position to navigate the complexities of the credit system.